Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a content creator, you know that one of the biggest challenges on YouTube is getting people to watch your videos for a long time. But fear not, in this video, we're going to share some tips and tricks on how to increase your watch time on YouTube. 1. Make a strong first impression. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. You need to grab your viewers' attention and entice them to keep watching. You can do this by starting with an intriguing hook or a visually appealing intro. 2. Create engaging content. The content of your video is what will keep viewers engaged. Make sure you're creating high-quality videos that provide value to your audience. Keep your viewers interested by providing interesting stories, unique insights, or helpful tips. 3. Use end screens and annotations. End screens and annotations are a great way to keep viewers on your channel after they finish watching a video. Use these tools to promote your other videos, encourage subscriptions, or showcase your playlists. 4. Optimize video length. People have a limited attention span, so keep your videos concise and to the point. Try to keep your videos between 5 to 10 minutes in length, unless you have content that requires more time. 5. Add a call to action. At the end of your video, encourage viewers to take action. Ask them to like, comment, and share your video. You can also ask them to subscribe to your channel or visit your website. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 tips on how to increase watch time on YouTube. By making a strong first impression, creating engaging content, using end screens and annotations, optimizing video length, and adding a call to action, you can keep your viewers watching for longer. Let us know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.